Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the icon journey. So if you play this mode, you can get the icon or the legendary player that's already set by this game FIFA Mobile. So what you need to do is tap the live events, this one. Earn an icon player by playing the icon journey. So tap the main. This is the main player that you can get from this mode. Fernando Torres. You can get the striker or the complete forward or center forward. The difference is the CF is playing deeper and instruct he is built up, but the striker is not the build up player. He is just main job is make a goal, not a build up a team. So there are some tasks, it's quite challenging here. For example, you do have to reach FIFA champions in division rivals. It takes a long time and you have to score until 10,000 goals. But there are alternatives. You can have this one, Charles Puyol. By only playing this nation icon journey, is a short task you can complete, and from the league you can get this Steven Gerrard, and from the team you can get this Iker Casillas Fernandez. So please do the icon journey. It's quite fun, quite challenging. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.